Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
How are you, beta? In the last class, we have seen constructions, drawing the basic angles of the construction lesson. So we'll just go with that. Let's have a quick recap, and then we'll go for the questions. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I think, and I mean, like, many of you have joined today also. I mean, I think Anudeep has joined after a long gap. Am I correct, Anudeep? Because of his
Yes,
exam?
sir. I have, yeah.
No problem. Can you all see the screen? No.
No, sir, you're not sure.
Yes. Now look at this. First, look at this here. Construction of the question is basically construction of 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 90 degrees. I'll tell you all this in one short way. 105 degrees you say, 120 degrees you say, 135 degrees you say, 150 degrees you say, 165 degrees you say, and 180 degrees, and 180 degrees. Okay, construction of all this. First of all, look at this here. You take any measurement here. Look at this. Yes, Shadab, I think we were thought of using that. Okay, no problem, no problem. While solving the question, we'll try to use that. Okay, so yeah, I just took any line here. I took a line, some line. I took, I drawn an arc like this with some random length beta. I drawn in. This is say that O. This is say that A point. Okay, I whatever the radius I took with the same length, I'll be drawing an arc. I'll be drawing an arc. Here one, and here one. Ashish, you told right? This is what this arc represents was 180 degrees beta. Okay, Ashish. Ashish, are you here, Ashish?
Sir, here
Yes.
I'm here.
Yes, yes. This is 180 degrees. He was asking us. Now look at this here. If I join this beta, look at this. If I join this to, oh, 1 second. If I join this to, this is my 60 degrees. This is my 60 degrees. And if I join this to, you measure it and just try it home. Definitely it will be 60 degrees. It is 120 degrees. My goodness. This is 120 degrees. Okay. And if you join this to, look at this here. This is of course 180 degrees here. It should be somewhere down here. It will be some 180 degrees. Till this everyone knows. Clear? Till this everyone knows here. Correct? Any doubts? Yes. Now look at this here. For drawing 30 degrees, what I do here? For drawing 30 degrees, this is my 60 degrees, right? For drawing 30 degrees, what do you do? For drawing 30 degrees, what do you do, beta? Tell me. From this, look at
Sir?
it. Yes, from this point, I'll draw an arc. From this point, I'll draw an arc. Yes, Anudeep.
Yes, sir. You asked, no, sir. I was about to say. Yeah,
Yes.
continue.
I'll join this too. Okay, that is my 30 degrees. In last class, I told you. Okay, this is my 30 degrees. Hope it is clear. Okay, join that. If you want 15 degrees, again from this you join here, something like this, that is 15 degrees. Hope it is clear. Okay, from this this is my 15 degrees. Hope it is clear with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, if I want 90 degrees, what I do, beta? If I want 90 degrees, simply I'll take an arc from this.
We'll draw 60, 120, and then bisect.
Yes, bisecting it. Very good. Look at this. This is my 90 degrees. Okay. Next, join that. You'll get 120 degrees, 90 degrees. Okay. Next, 90 finished. What will 30, 40? What are the things we finished, beta? Here, what are the things we finished? 30 we finished, 60 we finished, 90 we finished, 120 we finished. Very good. 180 also we finished. Fantastic. Now look at this here. Look at this here. I need 135. If I need 135, look at this bisecting. Half of this, what I told, beta. Let us take a bisecting of this two. First of all, look at this here. From this point, I'll draw an arc. From this point, I'll draw an arc. Okay. Okay. But with the rough sketch I'm drawing, so if you take your measurements properly, you will get it correctly. Okay. 1 second. Okay, this is what, beta? 150 degrees. How much? 150 degrees. 150 degrees. 150 or not? Dekho, 120 plus 180, how much? By 2. 300 by 2, which gives you 150 or not? I am taking from this point and this point, which gives you 150 degrees. Now, if I want 135, what I take? 150 and 120 I'll take. So 150 plus 120, how much? By 2. Bisecting, how much? 270 by 2, which gives me 135. Ashish, you was asking 135, right? Now is it supremely clear, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes.
From this point, I'll take one arc. From this point, I'll take one arc. I just bisect that. That is not properly, beta. Just try to understand. 135 degrees. Clear? Understood or not? 135 also with that. Hope it is clear till this. Okay. Next 45 degrees I need. For 45 degrees, what we do, beta? For 45 degrees, what we do? 60 and 30. We'll take 60 and 30. Look at this here. I'll take 60 and 30. From this point, I'll take this. From this one, I'll take this. From this point, I'll take this. From this point, I'll take this. I'll just intersect that. Okay, this is my 45 degrees. Clear till this? Next. Is there anyone waiting list? Tushar in the waiting list. Next. If I need what? Okay, 90, 45 also we did. I need 75. For 75, what I do? For 75, what I do? 90 and 60 I'll take. From 90, look at this. From this point, I'll draw an arc. From this point, I'll draw an arc. I'll just bisect this. This is my 75 degrees. Any doubts till this? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Perfect. Next 45 degrees also withdrawn. 75 also we finished. What else we left with? 105. For 105, what I do, beta? 120 and 90, can I take? 120 and 90. 120 plus 90, how much?
105.
120 plus 90, 210. 210 by 2, 105. So it gives me 205, 105, right? From this, I'll take an arc. From this, I'll take an arc. I'll join this. This is 105 degrees. Hope it is clear till this. Let me write 108 here, comma 180 degrees. Okay. So 105 also we did. Next, what are the things we left with? 150, 165, and 180. 180 already we done. So 150 we left with, and 165 we left with.
Sir, 165.
160.
No, sir, you didn't draw
Yes,
165.
165 we left with, and 150 we left with. 150 also we did draw. 150 we did. 165 can be. How can you take 165?
Sir, it's 150 and 180 bisect.
180 plus 150 bisecting. So how much? 330 by 2. 330 is nothing but 165. So from this point I'll take here. From this point I'll take here. I'll just bisect it. And from this point I'll take an arc. From this point I'll take an arc. Bisect. Guys, I'm not able to draw straightly. Try to understand. 165 degrees. Correct? This is how we can brush it up. All the angles. I'm sure you will not get more than this. These are the angles you will get it. Only these are the angles you'll be getting in the exam. Clear setup? And Tushar, why are you late, Tushar? Tushar ji. Tushar ji, you have to be so hoshiar. You have to be so hoshiar. I'm sure you are hoshiar only. But why are you late? Tushar, are you here? Tushar, are you here or not? I don't think so. Okay. Okay. This is what the basic thing you can just follow for. Any doubts till this? Shall we go for the questions now?
No doubt, sir. Yes, sir.
I think questions also very simple, but I told in the last class how to make a parallel lines and uh, how to make the parallel lines and everything we discussed in the last class. And now we'll go with the questions. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So let me give the couple of questions over here. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment of length 6 centimeter using compasses and ruler. What do you mean by ruler?
Scale.
Scale. Very good. Point P on it, which divides it in the ratio of 3:4. Quick. Guys, those who have solved, you have to let me know whether you have solved or not. If you are able to not answer the particular question, if you are confusing, just drop a message, sir, I don't know. Finished? I mean, Yogesh, Ashish, Anudeep, Steve, Tushar, are you all understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We understood. Sure. Steps of construction is required or just the construction?
Just the construction, need not to write the steps. Why? Because steps you can write in your own language, but that is not a big deal at all. It's a very simple process.
No, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very simple. You can write in your own language, but yeah, you just draw that. If you are getting stuck somewhere, you just let me know so that I can help you throughout. Yogesh, Yogesh. And guys, I uploaded your papers so you can go through that. And one more thing, I'd like to ask, term one results has been announced, I think, and the
Yes, sir. It's been announced.
Yes, sir. Announced, and the Steve's result I got, and many of you have not, posted your results. Please send me the results. How much you got, Shadab?
Sir, I got 40 out of 40.
40 out of 40. Fantastic.
I got 39, sir.
39. Very good. What is the percentage you got? I mean, like 100%. And what about Tushar? Percentage?
Sir, 28. Sorry, 98.
98. Very good. What about you, Anudeep?
Sir, we didn't receive it yet, sir.
No, it's publicly, I mean, like, it's in the website, right? You can go and check.
No, it's not in the website, sir. They send it to the schools.
Oh, acha. Okay.
Yes, sir. I got it from my school.
Right. Very good. So what about others? Tushar, 98%, 39 he got. Very good, fantastic. Beta. What about Ashish? Yogesh. Ashish, are you here?
Sir, I finished the construction.
Very good. What about others? Quick. Don't take much time. Draw genuinely. If you don't know, please ask me. Those who have done with the first question, go for the second question. Have you all done? Guys, do you need any help from my side for that question? First question was very simple, beta. Do you need any help from my side? Quick.
Yes, sir. If we use the first method that you taught, where you draw 7 points in a line, how exactly do you, take the same angle without using a protractor?
1 second. Look at this here. Just a minute. Let me just draw this down. Okay. Let's solve this question. Very simple. Look at this here. Drawing a length of 7 centimeter in the ratio of 3:4. First, let me draw a line segment which is having 7 centimeters. How much? 7? Not 6, sorry. Which is, let's say this is A, this is B. Okay. And let me say anything, something like this. Let me say X. Okay. So how many I have? So total, how many units, beta? Total have 3 plus 4, total 7 units. So let me make 7 points on this. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7. Okay, like this. Correct? Yes. Now, which 6 centimeter length? This is 6 centimeter length. Okay. Using compass and ruler. Okay. Find a point P on which divides it in the ratio 3:4. 3:4. So it will be dividing at 3. Understood my point? So this is, first of all, I'll be joining this end and this end. By using parallel lines concept, shut up, I told you in the last class. How to draw parallel lines? I told you, right? In the last class, I told, right, with parallel lines, how can you draw the parallel lines? Once you join X and B here, how we are going to draw this line? I told you in the last class. By using that concept, you can do this.
Sir, can you quickly recap it once? I'm kind of forgetting.
1 second. I think let me open that last class notes. Where is that? Where is that? Let me open that one. Yes. Look at this here. This is how the concept we did. But what we have done here is, look at this here. 3:4. I think same question, I think. Oh, 3:4. Look at this, beta. What if from this point, look at this here, I just drawn an arc. I measured this arc. Look at this, I measured this length. With the same length, beta, with the same length, what I did here is, look at this here. From this point, I drawn 2 arcs. I just dragged the line, which is exactly cutting the A3, which is, this is what the arc. Okay. So what I look at is that this A length I have, right, without even tilting that, I'm taking this length, whatever the length I have, XY length here, with the same length, I'm drawing an arc, taking a point of contact, this point of contact, joining that. That's how I just frame a parallel line. Do you remember now? Do you want me to explain one more time? And do you want me to explain briefly?
Sir, can you repeat again?
Yes. I think last class I explained this once, so no problem. Just let me take here. 1 second. I think I have to draw in a fresh page. Let me draw in a fresh page. What is that here? Guys, look at last class we did this one, right? Look at this. I joined this some ABI2 beta. I joined this. I just divided this X and this. He has given 3:4, right? He has given 3:4. So first of all, look at this A. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7 somewhat down. Okay, I think this one second, guys. This should be exactly here, so that this is in fact B. Okay.
I need to make, look at it, 3:4, right? It is making point at 3. So just draw a parallel line to draw a parallel line at A3. Your question is gets over. How to draw that parallel line is the question mark. Look at this here. First of all, I'll be taking the center beta. Okay. I'll be taking the center. Okay. I'll be taking this as center. I'll be making an angle. Okay, I'll be making an angle from this center. Should I measure in the class? This one. I'll be making.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, I'll be making an angle. Okay. Next, look at this. Same, whatever the length you took, beta, whatever the radius you took to make that yellow color arc, from the point A3, I'll be making an arc. Okay. Look at this. I'll be making an arc like this. Understood? Understood till this? Okay. Now look at this. What exactly the length of this arc? Look at this arc length. I'm going to measure it now. Understood my point? The length of that particular arc, whatever we drawn for the first time, I'm going to measure that. Okay, I measured it. Okay, let's say you got something 3 centimeter. Look at this here. From this point, from this corner, from this point, I'll be just that length. Let's say you got 3 centimeter, right? That 3 centimeter, I'll be keeping the compass here. I'll be drawing an arc here. Okay. Look at this. That's it. You will get
Yes,
an
sir,
arc.
now I understand.
You will get a point of contact here.
You will get a point of contact now. Where is that? This one. This is how the parallel line. Isn't it a parallel line? Shut up now. Shut up. Understood. Shut up now. Clear.
Yes, sir, completely understand.
Please, everyone look at this here. What I'm trying to say here is beta, dekho, here I'll make an arc like this beta. This arc and this arc, combination of point of contact of these two arcs is going to be, if I join that, it exactly touches the A3. From A3 I'll get parallel line straightly, which is parallel to what? BA7. Okay, that is how I can draw this without. Okay, understood my point beta? Exactly. Parallel lines, it could be any length, it could be anything. Look at this here. Take some, a reasonable length, draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc with the same thing. Take a point here, draw an arc, measure this length, take that compass here, draw an arc like this, again draw an arc here like this, join that. That is parallel line. Hope it is clear. Shut up. Whatever the points I told beta, yes, I'm sure everyone
Yes,
will
sir,
understand now. Everyone will understand now. But after, if I ask one more day, they'll forget it. So make sure that you understood it now. You'll remember for today only. Tomorrow again, you will get confused. So for that, for avoiding that, what you have to do, write the procedure, write the steps now itself in your own language. How did we drawn that? Write the steps in your own language so that you can revise it one more time. Hope it is clear. Understood, beta? Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So that's how we can just do these parallel lines. That's how I
Sir,
can.
I also completed that previous question which you gave, tangent.
Very good. Finished, beta. This one finished. You finished. Very good. Very good. What about others? I think everyone was listening this. No problem. Look at this. Let me just drag this here so that it will be properly matchable. Okay. Understood my point? Yes. Look at this. Draw the question. Solve this question. Those who have done, beta. Please use, don't use normal things beta. Please kindly, I request every one of you that use compass, a pencil, a ruler, and to draw this. Okay, next I'll just draw a circle with the help of a bangle, or you say anything. This is the question given. Take a point outside the circle. Okay. Construct the pair of tangents from this point on the circle. Okay, this is what the question. Everyone solve this. Pick. What's the answer? I mean, got it? Second question, Anujib didn't. Second question, did Anujib done with that? What about others?
Yes.
Done, sir.
Sir, I'm done with third question.
Yes.
Third question done, sir.
Yes. Who else?
Sir, I'm done with the third as well.
Very good. What about others? What about others?
Yes.
I don't get a response. Tushar, Shira, Yogesh, what you are doing, guys? Hmm? Construct equilateral triangle ABC.
Sir, this part is deleted, I think, no, sir?
Which one deleted? Equilateral
This
triangle.
triangle construction.
Okay. Triangle
Yes,
construction.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. That
Okay.
one.
Okay. 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 We will take that. We will take that away. Yes, you have this much only. I don't have anything. Okay, let me give one more question based upon this. This is what construction, but a very simple topic is itself. We can play football with this topic. Make it fast.
Sir, I completed, sir.
What about others?
Done, sir.
Sir, I completed.
What about others?
Done, sir.
Any
Done,
doubts?
sir.
Any doubts? Okay, beta. So
No, sir.
I think we covered
No doubts.
all type of concepts from constructions. So you keep solving the different questions from your books, the books whichever you have. You can ask me. So now shall we get into the next other some other topic? Which topic you want me to
Okay,
go?
sir.
Tell me.
So shall we go with statistics?
Statistics. Okay.
Yes, sir. Statistics is fine.
Yes, sir.
What others?
Yes, sir, statistics.
Okay. Statistics. Statistics. There was a typical someone not getting. Where is that? Yes. Guys, this is a given that pocket money. This has been asked in 2000 CBSE, 2014 CBSE exam. And yes, talking about pocket money, in fact, in rupees. And he's talking about number of students. Number of students. Okay. So 0 to 20, 22, 40, 42, 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Two, 3, 12, 18, 5.
So what do we need to find?
Need to find out here. Calculate the pocket money received by most of the students. The question is,
Okay, sir.
below distribution of weekly pocket money received by student of the class. Calculate the pocket money that is received by most of the students. Very good question.
Sir, here what we have to find out, sir?
That is what he has given, right? Calculate the pocket money that is received by the most of the students. If I say what is the question, then nothing. There is nothing magic. You have to identify. Every time he will not ask you to find out mean, mode, median. You have to think.
Sir,
Sir,
most
is
of
the
the
answer
students,
86.3 rupees?
Exactly, beta. Right answer. Yes, tell me.
they're asking to find mode.
Yes, exactly. Mode answer. Mode. He's asking you to find mode. How do you identify it's a mode or median?
Because they're saying that it's received by most of the students, but many students are getting the same frequency.
Exactly. Shut up. How did you identify shut up?
Sir, when we take the example of
Your voice is low, shut up. Yes.
sir, when we take unorganized data.
No. Your voice, I can't hear. I can hear you and
Can you hear me better now?
no, I can hear you.
Sir?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Yes, sir. When you take unorganized data, then you know that mode is the most frequently occurring measure of central tendency. So here we can apply the same concept that mode is the one where it occurs the most amount of time.
Yeah, exactly. Most like most of the times it will be occurring. Yes. Yes, Ashish, you understood, Ashish? How to find mode, median? Median, how do you identify median question? Hello? Now you have to find out mode here. Tell me the answer.
Sir, doing sir. 1 minute.
Here, which is the most repeated value? 2, correct? This is organized data. For unorganized data, if I talk about the number of students, then 2 would have been my mode. Okay. So, quick, find it out. Guys, median is just a middle number. Mode is the most of the times it occurs. Okay, make it fast. That is how I used. What is the answer? Guys, look at this here. What is my F formula? First, let us write mode formula. Mode formula is what? L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Correct? So what is the maximum frequency? First of all, I'll be checking maximum frequency is 18. So I'll be selecting that particular class. Okay. So L is what my 8 is my L. lower limit of that particular model class. This is my model class. Model class or not, beta? Yes or no? 80 is my model class. Perfect. This is my F1. The before number whichever you have, that is F0. The preceding number is F0. The succeeding number is F2. What is height here? What is height here? Class 8, 20. Correct? Isn't it? L is equal to what? 80. I got F1 value, which is 80, and F0, which is 12. F2, which is 5. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
So this is my F. My goodness. This is F0. Sorry, F1. This is F0. This is F2. Substitute everything here. That's it. So 20, not 20, 80. 80 plus 18 minus 12 by 2 times of F1, 36. Minus 12 minus 5 into 20. Into 20. Simplify this. How much you got? Simplify this. How much you got, beta? How much you got? 6.
Sir, is the answer 86.3?
So 6 into
Yes.
20, 120, 120 by 19, correct? So 19 ones, 19, 6, 114, 19, 3, 2. So 86.32 I'm getting. This is approximate answer.
86.3.
This is the answer I'm getting. Okay, next. This is what you'll be having everywhere, beta. That's it. Guys, so first, this is 2012 question. Weekly income given. Weekly income of some 600 families. 600 families is given below. Okay. Income in rupees and 1000, 0 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, and 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000. Okay, this is what, oh, 1 second, this is what he has given. Okay, number of families. Number of families. So 250, 190, 100, 40, 15, 5. Okay, we need to find out median. Find the median. This type of questions are pretty easy to identify and do that. Okay, make it fast. Direct, see, need not write table again and again. Direct formula. Find identify which is H, which is F, which is cumulative frequency. Everything you identify and just solve that. Median is what? What is the formula for median? Formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency all divided by F into H. This is my median formula.
There's the answer.
Answer
1,000.
1000.
1,000.
I could hear only 1000. After that, I can't hear you.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm facing an issue right now. 1,263.15 rupees.
Exactly 1263.16. Right. Quick. Look at this, very simple beta here. First of all, we need to find out cumulative frequency. 250 plus 190, how much? 440. 540, 440 plus 100, 540, 580, 595, 600. Correct? So now sum of all FIs. This is my frequency. Sum of all FIs how much? 250, 600, right? So n by 2. N by 2 how much? 300. Correct? Isn't it, people? Huh. So first of all, my median class. What is my median class here? What is my median class? How to
Sir,
find the
it's
median class?
1,000 to 2,000.
How to identify the median class?
Sir, it's the one with the cumulative frequency right above and divided.
Exactly. Look at this here. Here, what is 300? What is it just greater than 300 from the table? What is just greater than 300, guys? Respond. Hello, are you here? 440,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Sir, 440.
So this is my median class is going to be now. So 440, right? So now my cumulative frequency is that the preceding to the model class. Cumulative frequency is what? This is my CF value. This is my F value. Okay, now this is my L value. This is my L value, and substitute here now 1000 plus 300 minus 250 divided by F value. What is F beta? 190 into H. What is H here? 1000. Substitute everything and you will get it. 1050 by 190 into 1000. 1010 will be getting cancelled. So what is the answer now? 1000 plus 5000 by 19. So 1000 plus 19 ones, 19 twos, 19 twos, 19 six, what's 19 threes, decimal, 19 one times, 19 six times somewhere. Okay, yes. So 263.16, which gives me 1600 and 1263.16. This is my approximate answer. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, beta?
No.
We are solving the questions of same concept over and over again. So no one should make any mistake from the like lesson whichever gives to you. Okay, beta? Everything clear cut information. Only this like he'll be tilting the question here and there. At last he'll comes to median and mode only and mean. That's it. Okay, hope it is clear. Any doubts? Whatever the number, whatever the n by 2 you got 300, so 440 wherever you have, that is my 440's class. That is my model median class is going to be. So lower limit of that particular median class is my L value, and the height class size, which I denote with H, that is 1000 here, and 250 is my cumulative frequency just preceding to that median class, and everything I substituted. I got my median answer as 1263.16 approximately. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear with everyone. So I'm stopping the class here itself, and the next class we'll be discussing some other topics. So tell me guys, which topic you want me to discuss in the next class, so that you prepare and come. And I also be ready with couple of previous year questions. Why? Because every time we will not be writing the question on the board. So next time I'll be ready with couple of previous year questions. I'll be already having the question, so that I cannot write the question again and again. Tell me, which topic? Guys, tell me.
Sir, circles.
We will do one thing. Shall we go with the model question papers?
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Sample questions is better, sir.
Chapter wise questions or model question papers?
Model question papers.
Right. We will go with that. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.